Comfortable and tidy. Good studio house also, very comfortable and tidy. Moreover, elegant view from outside the window. Lastly, I feel satisfied to book this studio house. Exceptional good. Exceptional, everything is good. Restaurant only 1 minute away. Worth my money, will come back later. Staying nice view, love because have Netflix. Exceptional. The studio is quite spacious, suitable for holiday rest spot. The view is amazing, can see the Spaghetti Junction and some part of the city. Overall experience, glowing star emoji, glowing star emoji, glowing star emoji, glowing star emoji, glowing star emoji. Exceptional, worth the money. Good stay value for money, only the parking bit expensive. Exceptional, recommended. Highway sunrise. Exceptional, the place is comfortable and cozy. Very recommend to stay. Worth the money spent. I stayed 3 days 2 nights with great experience. Very smooth check-in, friendly owner and good facility. Will definitely repeat to stay here. Good, the bed is so comfy, thumbs up emoji. Exceptional, nice and value for money.